Hey guys, my name is Din Ginto from dinonlinepitch.com and you're watching one of my review videos for the new product launches for online training and software products. Now stick around with me here because I'll be making a review about this new product launch called ProBuildz. Stay tuned. Now in today's video, I'll be making a review and will show you a quick demo of how the ProBuildz work. Now as a reminder, this new product launch will go live on 11/13 at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, so you'll be able to get access to ProBuildz when this goes live. Now I'm here in the sales page of the ProBuildz. Now to put this briefly, ProBuildz was created by Craig Crawford. He's the software and development and marketing company owner of eBay vendor who designed this program. Now this is a one-stop solution, enables you to create beautiful stores. Now these online and mobile ready shops that link back to eBay are awesome profit pulling stores that are totally worthwhile for eBay sellers and people who want to make selling to sellers as a service provider. But an even bigger win for people who wants to hands-free money for affiliates too. So if you're an affiliate marketing, you can also benefit for this program as well. And also eBay love people who send them traffic and sales, and that's a fact about this program. Now this is the secret sauce that they use to get returning customers coming back again and again, meaning more money for them, more money for you as well. Now you see eBay have their own traffic and everyone knows ebay.com is a powerhouse, but how did it get so big? Now that's the secret that isn't advertising to the masses like most companies. And so really quick, I'm gonna be showing you how this works with the demo created by another person. Just a disclaimer, and as you can see here, this is a full step-by-step training included as well inside of the ProBuildz. Now I want to talk about the benefits of this product. Now they did this by introducing the affiliate programs, and they also lower fees as well, and they're a smart company with elite strategic employees, and they also pay people for sending traffic to their marketplace and create a win-win environment for everyone involved. Now think about it. If you create a ProBuildz site and three things happen on every sale, now you're gonna get paid a commission on the sale. You or the eBay store owner gets a lowered fee, and the third one would be eBay gets a new customer. So it makes total sense for them to push people to make sales by bringing people in outside of eBay. Now it's how they drag in millions more dollars per year, and pretty much this is what the program is all about. But then again, a full step-by-step training is included inside of the ProBuildz. Now I'm gonna be showing you a quick demo video of ProBuildz. Sit back and enjoy.
Hey guys, welcome to ProBuildz. In this short video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can make stores within 60 seconds. The main element of the building takes seconds, literally 20-25 seconds to build the main bits, and then just add like a slider in, for example, to make it look good. So first of all, just remember that there's three ways that you can build stores here to profit from. First of all, you can build them and become an agent and actually sell them to the 25 million plus vendors on eBay. Second of all, you can create affiliate sites, and many people make money blogging and stuff, and this is exactly what you can do with this. Third of all, if you have a store yourself, you can save fees and you can also get the affiliate commissions too. So here we go. First of all, we log in. Once logged in, go to manage stores. On the right, go to add store. Then enter the name, like JoeJam1. Choose your template. Enter the seller ID, and that pulls the data from eBay into our stores. Now we've done that, you go to appearance, add a slider. We automatically add them in, but you want to add your own. Title bags, description, best bags of all kinds. Just for an example, go to manage stores, let's view it. And there we go. We have a fully working external eBay store, and that took under 1 minute.
Now, I've also put together a ton of custom bonuses for those of you who like to pick this up by my link, which is down below in the description of this video. Now, if you click on the link, it's going to bring you through to my bonus page, which looks like this. And if you want to pick up ProBuildz, this is going to go live on November 13th. That's when you'll be able to click on any of this yellow buttons here. That's going to go through to the sales page, which looks like this. Okay, so right over here is where you can go ahead and pick this up. Now, you need to pick up before the countdown timer runs out onto my bonus page here, because when the countdown timer runs out, then all of my bonuses will disappear, and that's obviously something that I don't want you to miss out on. Now, over here to claim these bonuses, they are 100% free of charge and instantly will deliver to you. Now, all you need to do first of all is click on that link down below in this video, and all you have to do is scroll down and click on any of these yellow buttons here. That's going to go through to the sales page. That is pretty much how you can go ahead and pick this up. Okay, so now if you have any questions, you can go ahead, follow me on my Facebook page, send me a message right there, and I'm more than happy to answer any of your questions. So that brings me to the end of this video. Now, thank you so much for watching my ProBuildz review. Now, I hope you enjoyed my review video. Make sure that you click the link below to purchase ProBuildz at a discounted price. And also, don't forget to pick up my free bonuses that you can check out down below in the description of this video. Now, I'll see you guys onto my next video. And thanks again for watching my review video. Now, make sure that you like and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys onto my next video.